Supply Chris reaction နဲ့ reaction ဆိုပါတယ်ဒီနေ့ကျွန်တော် react လုပ်တော့မှာ Coin the Machine ရဲ့ PMG ဆိုတဲ့တခြင်း music video ကို reaction လုပ်တော့ပါမယ်ဆိုတော့ Coin the Machine က The Chris Trailer Record ရဲ့ founder ရဲ့တယောက်ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဆိုတော့ကြည့်ကြည့်အောင်တခြားသူ့ရဲ့Chris Trailer Record ထဲမှာတခြားနာမည်ကြီးတဲ့သူတွေကတော့ website can တို့ Freddy Gibbs တို့ပါ Coin the Machine နဲ့ website can ဆိုရင်လည်းညီကိုတွေပေါ့ဒါတို့ကတဝင်းခွဲတော်ကြတယ်ဆိုတော့ကြည့်လိုက်အောင် Coin the Machine ရဲ့ PMG music video shit ကျွန်တော်အခုဒီ music video အစပါကျွန်တော်သတိထားမိတာတော့ချင်းဒီ Coin the Machine ရဲ့ဒီ PMG music video ကသူက design ကဟိုဟာမျိုးဘယ်လိုပြော BFG ဇာတ်ကား design မျိုးနည်းနည်းလောက်ထားတဲ့သဘောမှတွေ့ရပါလို့ဆိုတော့အကောင်ကြီးနဲ့လူကောင်သေးသေးလေးနဲ့သူတယောက်တည်းကိုပဲလောက်ထားတဲ့ပုံစံမျိုးတွေ့ရတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့အစကြည့်ရအောင် Yeah Look New York type shit. They wanna know his machine in the peak of his prime or he in decline. They seeking to find creases in my recent design. Gotta just read between the lines. You can see through the lies. The evil inside them get threatened when I'm speaking my mind. Been looking for peace of mind, but they want pieces of mine. But fuck them. It's wartime. It ain't no peace in my mind. When scattered in a million pieces, we gon' put together pieces of mine. Like 20 chains, all them pieces is mine. Reach for the sky. Talk to these niggas. But while you reaching for your peace, I'm squeezing mines. That's the reason you died. It's funny cause niggas wanna see you dead, but they need you alive. For that thing you provide that keep them inspired. They say machine, you motivated me to decide to get on these beats and just rhyme. I think of the times we was doing illegal crimes just so we could survive. Now I'm in France spending my leisure time drinking this wine. Niggas wanted the lion's share, the biggest piece of the pie. Probably the reason why lately you can see the divide. Let's go back to 2016 when I signed the Shady Records.ဒီမှာပြောရမယ်ဆိုရင်တော့PM မျိုးပုံစံမျိုးကတော့ကျွန်တော်ဟိုjazz တို့classical music ကနေပဲပြန်ပြီးတော့တည်ထားတဲ့ design မျိုးတွေ့ရပါတယ်ဆိုတော့ဆက်ကြည့်ရအောင်Went and got the land wrapped, I went gyro on them. Around that time when my career started to spiral on them. All I did was get these beats and go cycle on them. It fucked with me when I seen how evil love can be. Backed into a corner and life was trying to Golovkin me, yo. I say I'm blessed, they say it's luck. Well shit, lucky me. Rolls Royce color me, same color as bubble tea. Probably see me creeping with a bitch leaving a double tree. Pistol on my hip, these niggas plotting never trouble me. It's niggas that exist that got a spot in this because of me. You couldn't get a cent out of a label with your fuckery. Griselda, it's niggas that exist that got a spot in this because of me. You couldn't get a cent out of a label with your fuckery. Griselda kicked the door off with her hinges and I was lovely, huh? She looking good for you, right? The black man is God. That's king, man. That man, your boss, I will backhand his jaw. Used to be the trap man. Used to sack grams of raw, shooting at your windshield. Hollow cap, slam his car. The black man is God. The black man is God. I'm the gift to my whole city, boy. The black Santa Claus, black lamb, like I'm pulling up the black man car. The black man is God. Dog shit, Louis. Shout out to my nigga Sauce. Yeah. Damn. That's Santa Claus. I mean, damn, nigga. Think about it like this. Nigga was somewhere on May Street, bullet stuck in my neck. Half my face paralyzed. But somehow, I still took it where I took it. I did what I did. I look good, right? Totally my body, so now music video မှာနောက်တဲ့တခြားသော music video လည်းကျွန်တော် reaction လုပ်ပါဦးမယ်ကျေးဇူးပါဗျ